In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Grammarly account quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Grammarly or just looking for a refresher, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's start with the basics. To access your Grammarly account, you'll first need to head over to the login page. You can easily reach this page by typing or clicking the URL www.grammarly.com/sign-in. This will take you directly to the sign-in interface where you can proceed with entering your login credentials. Now, you'll be prompted to provide the email address associated with your Grammarly account. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any login issues. Next up is the password. Enter your password with care to ensure you can log in seamlessly. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. You can click on the Forgot Password link to reset it and get back on track. Perhaps you're watching this and realizing you don't have an account yet. That's not a problem either. You can sign up for a Grammarly account for free. To do this, go to www.grammarly.com/signup. The registration process is straightforward, and within a few minutes, you'll have a new account ready to use. After you've successfully logged in, you'll have access to the Grammarly editor, which is available on the web. To dive into writing and editing, head over to app.grammarly.com. This is where you can unleash the powerful editing tools Grammarly offers, helping you refine your writing and enhance your communication. If you're planning to use Grammarly on a new device, there's no need to worry about purchasing the service again. Grammarly is incredibly versatile. You can install the app or browser extension on a variety of platforms, whether it's a Windows or Mac desktop, or even on your mobile device. Simply go to the appropriate app store or extension site, download Grammarly, and then log in with your existing account details. This allows you to enjoy Grammarly's features across all your devices, seamlessly improving your writing wherever you are. A tip to keep in mind: having Grammarly installed on multiple devices means you're covered no matter where inspiration might strike. Whether you're drafting an email in a cafe, editing a report in the office, or jotting down notes on the go, Grammarly has you back. That's how you access and maximize your Grammarly account, providing a seamless experience across all your devices. Remember, checking in with Grammarly not only enhances your writing, but boosts your confidence in your communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Happy writing!